Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something revolutionary in the world of AI video generation. It's called SkyReels, and trust me, it's absolutely next level. So what exactly is SkyReels? SkyReels is the world's first open source, infinite length cinematic AI video generation model, and it's powered by the open source SkyReels v2 framework. With just a single prompt, you can generate stunning AI videos and even full-length AI dramas. SkyReels is a highly efficient video generation inference framework that enables fast, accurate, and cinema-grade video production. Whether you want short video clips, dramatic episodes, or seamless extensions, SkyReels has got you covered. Once you're on the website, link in the description below, you'll see several options on the homepage, including AI video, AI drama, and more. Let's start by testing out the AI video feature. Click on AI video, and you'll find a simple but powerful set of options. You can generate videos using text or images, choose video effects, select a subject reference, toggle lip sync, and even extend your videos. Let's try generating a video using a text prompt. I'll start with something cinematic. Epic sword battle on a floating island during a lightning storm. You can also set your preferred aspect ratio and video duration. And yes, it now supports up to 30 seconds per video, which is huge. The results are incredible: dynamic camera movement, effects, in a dramatic setting. It really feels like a scene from a fantasy film. Now let's try a funny one. A duck runs for mayor in a big city. Again, hit create and wait a few seconds. And there it is, a hilarious clip showing a duck in a city surrounded by campaign posters. SkyReels nails both humor and action. Let's try another one for good measure. Helicopters chase a motorcycle rider across a desert at sunset. It really feels like a scene from a film. And lastly, this time I'll go with the full 30 seconds to show you the continuous extension feature. This is what makes SkyReels truly unique. You're not limited to short clips anymore. Prompt: a woman sipping coffee by the window on a rainy morning. Again, I choose the 30-second duration and hit create. The result? A beautiful cinematic moment, extended smoothly and without any abrupt cuts. This is a first of its kind 30-second continuous generation, and it really shows. Now, let's try generating a video using an image. I'll upload a photo, crop it to frame the subject properly, and then enter a prompt. She looks out the window with tears in her eyes, watching someone walk away. Hit create, and the video it generates is visually moving and emotionally rich. The AI blends the image and text perfectly to create a short cinematic story. Next up is the lip sync feature, another powerful tool. You can either upload a video, use an existing asset, or simply upload an audio file. But here's the cool part: you can also just enter tech. I'll enter the line, "You picked the wrong night to test my patience." You can choose from different voices, hit lip sync, and let the AI do its magic. And SkyReels will generate a voiceover and sync it with the video automatically.
You picked the wrong night to test my patience. You picked the wrong night to test my patience.
And just like that, the character's lips are moving in perfect sync with the voice. Super impressive. Now let's move on to something even bigger: AI drama. Click on Create Drama, and you can begin generating full-length AI dramas, complete with episodes, characters, and scenes. You have a few options: upload your own script, upload a novel, or just use a pre-made script. Let's use the pre-made option. Click on Generate Script, and within seconds, SkyReels creates a full storyline. Then click Generate Character, and the AI builds custom characters for the drama. You can even modify their appearance or build new ones from scratch. Now, click Create Storyboard, and you'll see that SkyReels automatically creates scenes for each part of your script. You can preview them, edit them, and make adjustments. just like a real film director. Once you're happy, you can download the entire episode. It's truly next level storytelling, generated entirely by AI, so there you have it.
Hard to forget when you order it daily.
Maybe it's because of the company.
Flattery won't get you a discount.
Worth a shot.
Careful with that one, Thompson.
What are you on about, Richard?
She's got quite the reputation. Gold digger, they say.
You don't know her, neither do I, but I see what I see.
Just friendly advice.
Your advice is exactly worth what I paid for it. Nothing.
SkyReels is redefining AI video creation with tools that let you generate short clips, cinematic stories, and even full dramas, all from a single prompt. With open source SkyReels V2, you get 30-second AI video generation, infinite length video extension, cinema grade visuals, text to video, image to video, lip sync, and storyboarding full episode creation with customizable scripts and characters. SkyReels is an absolute game changer. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.